And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 87. Let me show you the threshold adjustment layer. You'll find it down here. Simply called threshold. It's an easy menu. We have a sender of 128. And then this warning signal for the histogram. This just changes the display. Important for us is the slider. When you drag everything to the left, you get everything white with a threshold level of 1. If you drag everything to the right, everything will be black. Additionally, the threshold level will now be at 255, and this once again the color range from 1 to 255, so 256 colors. And in this case, it makes everything white and black, and depending on where you set your threshold level, more will be white or more will be black. This principle can then be used to apply different effects. Let me show you an easy one with a gradient map. We've already talked about gradient maps in an earlier tutorial. We position the slider at around 100, 105, that should be a good value. You can see the face clearly. Not perfect for the clothing though, but for the face that's good. We add our gradient map. We'll adjust the gradient right here by clicking on this gradient scale. And now I give the left stop a different color. Slider and center, it doesn't have an impact anymore now because we only have two colors. Therefore there will not be a transition between the two colors. Therefore there won't be a transition between the two colors. Or we can adjust the second stop if we want that and make it, for example, black. I'm going to keep it to white though. I think it's the best contrast that you can get. So one stop recolored to red, the other one white. You can still go back and adjust the threshold. So if you want to add details or get rid of them, simply switch to the threshold adjustment layer, readjust the slider. So this is the basic principle. We're going to use that in the next tutorial as well. So try it out, get yourself familiar with it before we continue with the next video.